In fact, now breaking news coming in this time around from Uttarakhand. We will get in more details right now, but we have some breaking news coming in right now from the state of Uttarakhand. We have with us Nilishish, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Yes, Nilishish.
Well, yes, Uttarakhand High Court is hearing a petition and dealing with issues with regard to various preparedness in terms of COVID, primarily to do with oxygen production. And the High Court, through its Chief Justice, is saying that Uttarakhand, the state is facing issues because despite producing oxygen, the state has not been able to avail of its own quota and is getting oxygen from other states. And now, because this is becoming an issue for the state, it has sought for an explanation from the central government, because the state seems to say that it is helpless in this situation. It has also stated that the central government has issued a certain number of injections which are far less than the demand that the state has. So the vaccination concern is also that is something that has been raised by the Uttarakhand High Court, and it is saying primarily with regard to oxygen that despite having 3 manufacturing units, the state has to get oxygen from other states to meet its demand. So as we have seen over the last few days, oxygen shortage is an issue with a lot of states, and the allocation is something that is now beginning to show in Uttarakhand as well, where they're saying that we have manufacturing units, yet we aren't able to avail of our own resources. We have to get resources from other places, other states. With regard to vaccinations, it has said that we've been allotted less vaccinations than the 2 crore vaccinations that we had asked for. In fact, just coming in, the Chief Justice of the Uttarakhand High Court is also saying, is talking with regard to life-saving drugs. And he's saying that district magistrates must make sure that oxygen is available. And in addition to that, the procurement of life-saving drugs, the process is cumbersome and there exists some sort of red tapeism. Now, the control of these things is with the center, is what the High Court is saying, and therefore the state has pleaded, the state government of Uttarakhand is saying that it is helpless in such a situation where it requires life-saving drugs as well.
Right. All right. Thank you so much, Nilishish, for getting us that breaking input. We are now shifting